This is the King City Grand Prize Showhome in the Princess Margaret Home Lottery. This home is 8,300 square feet. It blends stunning contemporary architecture with luxe interior design. When I start this project, I usually visualize an imaginary family. So, this is a family that maybe likes entertaining, enjoying an open concept, and everyone can see each other at the same time. Today I'm going to show you some of my favorite things in this beautiful show home. Starting with the front hall, you can see on the floor there's a beautiful mosaic porcelain floor tile, which inspired me for the colors throughout the home. As you'll see, they are reflected in each room in a small way. There's also a beautiful ceiling tile on the foyer ceiling, which creates a dramatic effect. It's always nice to have a statement as soon as you walk into the home. Off from the foyer is a beautiful living room as well as a library on the other side. And when you walk down the main hall, you'll be entering the dining area, which has a beautiful contemporary feel to it. And on the other side, there's a two-sided wine room that opens up from the dining room and then into the kitchen. When you continue walking down the hallway, you'll be in the beautiful family room, which has the 14-foot high ceilings, the coffered look as well, and beautiful big windows. The family room has a floor-to-ceiling three-sided fireplace with concrete tiles on it, and it's a big enough room to house two beautiful sectionals and two beautiful ottoman coffee tables, as well as a TV on the fireplace. The two sectionals offer ample seating. People can lie down if they like and get cozy in front of the fire. The family room opens up to this beautiful kitchen that has two islands, one for prep and one for entertaining, as well as ample storage, state-of-the-art appliances. I used 3 different materials in this kitchen, as you'll see. There's a wood, and there's lacquer, and there's stone. And altogether, they combine to produce sort of a European-style kitchen. The kitchen cabinetry is composed of an Italian laminate that has sort of like a tiger wood look to it, as well as lacquered cabinets, brass hardware, and as you can see, everything is sort of concealed. The fridges have panels on them, so it's a nice clean look. This is a great tap from Hans Grohe, which was introduced to us. And as you can see, it has a regular water flow, as well as this feature where there's a sort of waterfall coming out, which is great for rinsing vegetables or washing your hands. And not to mention this, which is from Delta, and it is a glass rinser. So you put your glass on top of there, rinse it, and you can just put it directly into the dishwasher or reuse it. We also have a beautiful walk out to an outdoor lanai, and the glass panels that open up. So it's pretty good for 3 seasons. You can dine out there, you can enjoy a nice coffee or a glass of wine, and looking at the beautiful view because it's a ravine lot. Off of the kitchen, we have a small laundry room. It also houses a dog wash center. And also there's a sort of a floating desk in there for kids to do their homework or crafts or to wrap gifts on. So it's a great multi-purpose room. There's a beautiful powder room off to the hallway, which houses a floating cabinet with a trough sink and beautiful mirror with backlit lighting. In the powder room as well, there's a beautiful wallpaper that has sort of a wood-like feeling texture to it. As a designer, I try to use more of an eclectic look. I like a mixture of different periods of furniture and elements because I find that that is pleasing to everyone. There's something that someone might like, since there's a combination of different flavors and textures. The principal bedroom is fantastic. It has a big sleeping area with a king bed, backlit lighting niches, and it has beautiful light pouring in it as well. You walk through the bedroom and you'll find a corridor which has 2 individual walk-in closets with beautiful cabinetry. And then you continue walking into the ensuite, which has a big shower, big enough for 2, and individual water closets. Off the ensuite is a room that we call the wellness room, which houses a homeopathic therapeutic spa and a beautiful lounge area, and a TV, so you can bathe in there and relax, as well as maybe lie on the lounge chair, read a book, watch TV. It's a room where you can sort of rejuvenate and enjoy yourself. One of the bedrooms was inspired to me by maybe two twin boys. There are two twin beds and beautiful racing car wallpaper that sort of runs up the walls and into the ceilings. And also as well, it has its own ensuite and walk-in closet. There is also an elevator in the home which runs to all 3 floors, and it's beautifully appointed inside with wood panels, and it's great. Another one of my favorite spots is the home theater. It has 2 levels and great seating, big wide screen, so it's great to have friends over, watch a movie, maybe a sports game, or the Academy Awards which are coming up, so it's a great space to congregate. As well, downstairs there's an additional bedroom with its own bathroom and has lots of beautiful light. And then also we have a sort of summer kitchen, if you will, that has a long, beautiful bar, that has a beautiful island and sink. It's quite comfortable because it can walk out, so eventually if you have a pool out there, you can use it as an entertainment center. And on the other side of the lower level is a home office with 2 individual desk spaces. It's sort of separated from the rest of the house, but still open to the lower level. This home was created for the Princess Margaret Home Lottery, and it was created with much love. We at Green Park have a great team. We all work together and try to produce something outstanding every year. And whoever wins this house, I hope, can enjoy it for years to come. If you buy a ticket, you will help conquer cancer one breakthrough at a time. The lucky winner not only gets this fantastic home, but also $500,000 cash and a beautiful lakefront Muskoka cottage. You are also in to win over 44,000 incredible prizes.